Did you know Gandhi once froze completely silent in a courtroom and had to sit down without saying a single word? He was 22 years old, a trained lawyer in London, and he was terrified. He couldn't speak without notes, couldn't hold a room, couldn't convince a single person. Most people would call that a dead end. Gandhi called it a starting point. He stopped trying to win through argument, through force, through cleverness, and he asked a different question. What if weakness itself could become a weapon? He studied what he actually had: patience, willingness to suffer, a refusal to hate the people who hurt him. And slowly, something shifted, not just in him, in everyone watching. Because here is what the British Empire never understood. You cannot defeat a man who refuses to become his enemy. Gandhi didn't win by becoming stronger than the empire. He won by becoming something the empire had no answer for. Your greatest limitation might not be what's holding you back. It might be exactly what you were built to transform.